बच्चों, आज हम इस पाठ की समरी के बारे में अध्ययन करेंगे। समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर, जो मेन जो बातें हैं सभी समरी में आ जाती हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू डाल्टन एटॉमिक थ्योरी, द एटम इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी स्मॉलेस्ट इंडिविजुअल constituent of all matter. This theory could explain the law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion, and law of multiple proportion. Sir J.J. Thomson discovered that when very high voltage was passed across the electrode in the cathode ray tube, the cathode produced ray that travels from cathode anode and were called cathode rays. Louis Goldstein discovered anode rays by using a perforated cathode in the discharge tube filled with air at very low pressure. According to Thomson plum pudding model, atom can be considered as a large sphere of uniform positive charge with a number of small negatively charged electrons scattered throughout it. The alpha particles skirting experiment performed by Jaeger and Marsden led to the failure of Thomson model of atom. In this experiment, a stream of alpha particles from radioactive source was directed on the thin piece of gold foil. Most of the alpha particles pass straight out through the gold foils. Some alpha particles were deflected by small angles, a few particles by large angle, and very few experienced a rebound. The result of X-ray skirting experiment were explained in terms of Rutherford's model. The Rutherford model, however, failed as it could not explain the stability of the atom, the distribution of electrons, and the relationship between the atomic mass and atomic number, the number of protons. The problem of the stability of the atom and the distribution of electrons in the atom was solved by Niels Bohr in terms of Bohr model of the atom. In 1932, James Chadwick discovered an electrically neutral particles in atom and named it as neutron. The total number of the protons in an atom is called the atomic number and is denoted as Z. On the other hand, the number of nucleus proton and neutron in the nucleus of an atom is called its mass number and denoted as A. The electrons are distributed in different cells in the order of increasing energy. The distribution is called electronic configuration. The maximum number of electrons present in a cell is given by the formula 2n square, where n is the number of orbits of the cell. The valence is the number of chemical bonds that an atom can form with univalent atom. If the number of valence electrons is 4 or less than the valence is equal to the number of the valence electrons. On the other hand, if the number of valence electron is more than 4, then generally the valency is equal to 8 minutes and the number of valence electrons. The atom of n elements which have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons are called isotope. Isotopes have the same atomic number but different mass numbers. The atoms of different elements which have the same mass number but different atomic number are called isobar. Dear student, विद्यार्थियों, कुछ इनकी ये प्रश्न दिए गए हैं। आप इन सभी प्रश्नों के उत्तर जो हैं हल करना, जो सभी के बारे में मैंने आपको इनकी पढ़ा दिया है। फिर भी यदि किसी को कोई समस्या हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो।